Hi, welcome to my today's video. I will be making three very simple and quite clean cards, and the focal image will be this die-cutted elephant. It's some older die-cut, I think Yvonne Creations, I'm not sure the brand. My first card has got patterned paper as a background paper. It's some paper from my stash, and I'm applying old clear gesso over stencil. I'm saying old because this one is quite old, and when gesso is old, it's like paste. It's not more liquid, and it's great for applying through stencil. So do not throw away old gesso, apply it through stencil. It's still great for use. So I applied clear gesso, and now I will sprinkle over it pink flock. In today's video I will be making no heat embossing. I will be playing with products which don't need embossing. So I sprinkled pink flock over the paper where I applied gesso, and now I'm a little bit like pushing this pink flock into this gessoed background. It will stick where my hearts are, and I will set it aside to dry, and I will finish my card. Now I'm using 3D foam tape to glue my elephant. It's really very simple. You can use die cut, you can use any focal point, some stamped image. It's really up to you. When focal point is glued, I will finish my card just with little bow. It's satin ribbon, and I will glue it with gel dots. I like gel dots for gluing my bows. This is Bow Maker, also very old, but I love it. It helps me to create really nice bows. I'm not able to create it in my hand, so I'm using this Bow Maker a lot. It's a really great tool. It's not expensive, and it's really handy. Sorry again, I don't know the brand because I have it like 6 years, over 6 years, but many brands they are making this tool. So this is my first card. It's very easy. It's simple. I love this pink flock or any kind of flock. It's a really great medium. If you don't have gesso, you can use any texture paste or apply gel medium over stencil. Really, this pink flock will stick on double-sided tape or double-sided paper, die-cutted double-sided paper, anything what's like adhesive. So this is my first card. I will not add any sentiment. I'm really going for really simple cards. This is my second card. I'm playing with a stencil. This is by Wow Embossing, and this time I'm applying texture paste. I'm really taking my time for applying it because I want to have it in all holes of the stencil or everywhere, and really smooth, because later I will sprinkle over it sparkles. So I need really smooth and nice applied I can say image. This stencil is really beautiful, and you will see how easy you can create background. So now I will sprinkle sparkles, and they will stick at the places where the structure paste is, or texture paste, sorry. You don't need to heat set up anything, you just need to finish your card. So again, I'm gluing my elephant with 3D foam tape, and I will glue bow for elephant. Again, no sentiment, and I will glue this panel to no card. I like to work on panels because when you mess your panel, you can throw away a panel and you don't waste no cards. So if I'm not making really more clean and simple cards, I'm usually working on my panels. And square card, it's my favorite size. It's 5.5 inch to 5.5 inch, or 4 centimeters, 13.5 centimeters square. Here I die cut it with this big die butterfly from double-sided paper. I will remove one foil from the paper. I will stick butterfly. Then I will remove second foil from paper, or this cover, and there will be shiny sticker at my card. This time I'm working straight on the no card because it's not wet, it will not curl. If you are working with wet mediums like gesso and any structure paste, you need to have heavyweight paper. But if you are working with just this type of glue, double-sided glue, you don't need heavyweight paper. Just you can use your no card. I'm sprinkle sparkles. It's I think gold dust, and this will be background for my card. It's beautiful. All sparkles just stick at the double-sided adhesive. I will glue my elephant. I wasn't sure if it's good combination, butterfly and elephant, but as you can see, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's shining, and it's super easy. And you can make tons of cards like this. And this is my last card for today. So, we did no heat embossing, but we made 3 beautiful cards with the wool embossing powder products. It's simple, clean, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much for your time. If you like my video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a nice day.